talk to you about the optimum manufacturing of dietary supplements. Why is this important? Because all of us today know the value of having dietary supplements. We cannot be sure in our food supply that we're getting all of the optimum levels and sometimes therapeutic levels of vitamins and minerals and enzymes and micronutrients that appear in food. And we are beginning to do more and more of that and watch these things in live food and in processed foods, but we forget sometimes about dietary supplements. In the industry of manufacturing dietary supplements, often a lot of heat processes are used. And these heat processes in making the raw material into a good dietary form may involve high temperature or heat or pressure or temperature and heat and pressure together. And then often in the process, these good things will be destroyed. So there is equipment available. It's usually not high-speed equipment as used in the industry, because when you get into high-speed equipment, often additives will be added in, and they're in such a rush to make millions and millions and millions per day that you have to use all of these high processes that generate heat and destroy the product. But there is equipment available that allows you to watch the temperature. And in manufacturing especially, which I've done for now over 30 years, we can control all the different heat settings. So as we are dealing with herbs and vitamins and ingredients that are temperature sensitive, we have to be aware of that in the formulation, and we have to be aware of it in manufacturing. Some people will look at it just from the formula, but they don't actually control the manufacturing processes. And so you put in the good ingredient, you put it on the label, but then you kill it with all the heat processing. And so what we do in these cases, we're able to control the heat process. If we need heat in order to melt ingredients or to make a cream or a lotion or a particular product, we can bring the heat levels up in order to do that, and then we can cool the batch down to a level that is below the point where it will damage these very, very important enzymes. Same thing in encapsulation and tableting. Often tableting machines can generate lots of heat. That's why I prefer capsules over tableting in most cases, because you can get away from that tremendous amount of heat that's required sometimes in stamping these products under pressure very, very fast, and destroy important nutrients like folic acid and vitamins and enzymes. So be aware that in dietary supplements, it's very, very important, again, that you select reputable brands, that you know something about the manufacturing process, which is not often disclosed to you. But if you can learn about these processes, then you're going to be a much more educated consumer, and you're going to notice in your health the difference when you're able to take in these products that have been processed so that we keep the enzymes and the micronutrients and the vitamins alive in the product. It's one thing to put it in the formulation. It's the second thing to actually have it end up in the end product. So again, it's very difficult when you're reading labels to know this, because oftentimes temperature and stuff is not identified. So it's more important that you have a good quality manufacturer that you can investigate, has these processes, and you can select products that you know have been prepared in such a way. Thank you very much.